Today we're going to talk about the heavy duty jack 10 peg with a cordless drill. But first, make it easy. Hammer, 10 peg, old fashioned way. It's a pain in the ass to bash them in, the 10 peg that is, and then pull it out. I've got a solution for you. Jack heavy duty 10 peg and the cordless drill, doesn't matter whatever it is, with the 13mm socket bit. How easy is that? And the easiest way to take it out, put the drill in reverse. That's please like us on Facebook, McKean Adventures, YouTube, McKean Adventures. Please subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Have a good day.